I've got a building company in New Zealand, and I've just the course 7 on monetizations.
Yep.
So let's say we're doing a bathroom renovation.
Yep.
How do you monetize that?
Yeah, great question, because this is a bathroom. Now, question for you. I'm assuming this is a residential or a family's home bathroom, or is this a restaurant's bathroom?
Resident.
Okay. Either one you play around. Now, here's the thing. Monetization does not have to be money, right? Because unless they're charging their little kids to go to the bathroom, we can't monetize that. But here's what we can monetize. What's your biggest reason for needing to remodel the bathroom? It's time. When you say it's time, can you give me a specific example? Right? Well, my wife's mother is going to be staying with us. One, we're able to I'm embarrassed when you come out here. I just want to let you know, we'll try and clean it up a little bit, but it's a little bit funky, and it's due, okay? Yeah. And two, she's going to be living with us, so there's an additional person, that's going to be using that bathroom, right? In terms of, and I know we got to clean it up, and don't worry, I've got you covered there, but in terms of like making her feel comfortable, making sure you guys are comfortable, and making this, a space that's really, really user-friendly for everybody, can you kind of walk me through what's most important to you, and if there's any differences with your mother-in-law coming in, and like, are we going to need to do any assistance handles or anything there? Right? No assistant handles. She's still getting along just fine. But we do, the space is really tight. When you say the space is really tight, can you give me a specific example? Yeah, there's an old tub that nobody uses, and there's just no room for my wife to put her stuff, which is fine with me because I have a toothbrush, and that's it. And she has 42,000 different things. There's no countertop space. What am I doing there? I'm monetizing it. Because now you can follow up and go, hey, does it make sense for us to get this project underway? I know you had mentioned your wife's mother is going to be there starting in November, so that you can have that countertop space freed up, have an additional 3 drawers that are exclusive for her, giving your wife 4 drawers, and then actually I know you said you didn't need it, but 2 drawers just for yourself, and replacing that old tub that nobody's using with a shower that's going to allow people to get in and out of that bathroom so that you're maximizing the space. I don't know. I just monetized it that way. But what we do is we'll look at a bathroom, right, and go, oh my gosh, that's terrible. That's not right. That toilet is costing you money because it's a large capacity, and we'll just fix everything. But what we don't do is slow down and monetize, in this case, with it being emotional monetization. What's your biggest reason for wanting to do the bathroom? And their answer to that question is most likely the key of why, and I don't know what a bathroom costs, but I'm going to assume I can easily spend $20,000, right? That's going to be my biggest reason for wanting to spend the $20,000. And if we just go in there and go, well, we can fix this, here's our bid, it's $20,000, they're going to go, is that the best you can do? And then a lot of times they're going to ghost us and not call us back. But if we know their mom's coming, if we know their wife yells at them, one of their biggest arguments is space in the bathroom, or this or that, that's what you have to figure out.
Oh, yeah. Just asking better questions.
Yeah, and having the courage to personalize those questions, right? Yeah. It's hard for us because you're a craftsman, right? You understand things. You understand projects. We have to ask the human questions, right? What's your biggest reason for wanting to do this? Well, we want to improve the resale value of the house. When you say you want to improve the resale value, see, that's a totally different monetization. Because of the fact, what research have you done on us? One of the biggest reasons why people come over to us is in terms of improving the resale value of the house. What I would like to do is put together a quote that aesthetically is going to lift this bathroom to 2025 standards, but not put you in a situation where you're paying money for something that would be, let's just call it your dream or somebody else's dream, and overspending on the project. What I'd like to do is bid this to a standard that's going to be appealing to everybody without having a single, are they dollars? I don't know. What are they?
Dollars, yeah.
Okay, without a single dollar going down the road of like the buyer is not interested in that. I want to maximize the return on investment so you guys get the highest offer and sell the house as quickly as possible. And you would be shocked at how just changing the bathroom can take your house from somebody's 7th choice to their 1st, right? And we don't even get there if we don't slow down and ask those questions.
Yep. Thanks, Matt. Awesome, mate.
Love it. I will teach you how to close right now, but not right here. We've got a course on Easton University. It's normally $300. I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy it for you right now. Click the link in my bio. I will cover the cost for you to get the closing course. It is the easiest curriculum we've ever went through. You're going to learn how to close. You're not going to be pushy. You're not going to be manipulative. You will double, triple, quadruple your closing rate when you go through that course. So I'll buy it for you. We'll cover it right now. Click the link in my bio.